guys, today we talk about how can you change handle on your uh, Bluesky app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first. So you just go here above this sign, click on it here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next. So you just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on account. You come to this list here, click here on handle. So then here can you change your handle here. You add it in this list. You click on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.